All right, here is another update, guys. You know, I don't ask you guys for money before giving you free updates. I know a lot of you guys have been saying I sometimes claim to know all. My brother, I don't claim to know all, okay? But the little I know, I don't keep it to myself. I share it. You understand? So it's an act of charity from me to you guys. You understand? So with this tool that you are seeing here, you can access a lot of mobile phone diagram, you understand, without even using your PC. With this you can access so many. Here we have a Redmi, Tecno, Vivo, Realme, Oppo, Samsung, Highway, Apple, Infinix, Nokia, Itel, OnePlus and Lenovo. That is all you can access in here. So tell me now, which tool that is giving you this for free? No. And some of you might say this CircleBit. I have CircleBit before. When CircleBit started it for free also, I use it, but along the line they decided to start paying. Even me, I used to subscribe to CircleBit also. You understand? So let's open this app so that you see for yourself. We have a iPhone 12 mini, 12 Pro Max, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, 5S, 6, iPhone 6, 6 Plus, 6S Plus, iPhone 7 Intel, and iPhone 7 Plus Intel. So what this one does is it show you how to trace a particular IC or a particular component. You understand? So let's open this 15 Pro Max hardware solution. As you can see, we have charger data 2, front camera, how it will lead you to where all the current or the voltage that is coming from motherboard to camera, or from camera, how the camera works. It will show you from this if you open any of this. As you can see, we have a LCD light. This one is for displaying. You understand? So speaker, network, on and off, SIM slot, SIM card, touch screen, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and GPS. So now let's open this touch screen. Anyone you open is for free. You understand? You watch some ad for some time, then you skip it. When you skip it, then they will load the interface for you to access. Don't forget to share this video and add it to your favorite, okay? All right, it's have load, so let's wait. So as you can see now, we have the motherboard open now. Let me zoom it. This is how you can access the touch screen from. It's from the CPU here, down to this place. It's connected to power IC, as you can see here. Then it comes to the connector. This is where it ends. So when fixing such issue, anyone you meet that you think or you see the light is missing, if it is not reading or the reading is low, then you can actually trace it from all this line back to where it comes from. That should help you, okay? That should help you. A lot of engineers are hoping to see something like this, and I bring it for you for free, okay? So don't forget to share this video and follow for more. And mind you, not iPhone alone. As you can see, I show you a lot of mobile phone. As you can see, we have, don't forget, Redmi, Tecno, Vivo, Realme, Oppo, Samsung, Huawei, iPhone, Infinix, Nokia, Itel, OnePlus, Lenovo, okay? So let me open Infinix. Anyone you open, it will give you. Anyone. Let's see 40i. Yeah, 40i. Let's go on the display. You can open a lot of things like this can help you in a long way, guys. This is not CircleBit, okay? Maybe some people that have come across CircleBit, they might say it's CircleBit. It's not CircleBit. As you can see now, look at the display, the coil, display IC, the diode, capacitors, everywhere, everything here. Look at where it's connected. We only have 3 lines here from here. That's responsible for the LCD lights. You meter all these places, you understand? After meter, and you discover that any of this is missing, then you can trace it back to where it came from. Then you should know where your problem is coming from. So share this video and follow for more. And mind you, if you want this tool, now, then I'll be the one to DM you directly. I will DM you whenever you come to the comment section of this video. Type I want, but before you type I want, see this Facebook page, follow this page, send the screenshot to the comment section and write I want the tool. I will DM you personally and give you the name to the tool. Then you go and download it.